In this video, I'll be teaching you how to achieve this kind of coils or twists that can be used for crochet. I'll be using Brazilian wool for this tutorial. I will also be using needle. I'll use the needle, stick it on my manicure head. You can use anything of your choice for this, but make sure that what you will use can help you achieve what I want to do. Next thing is to get my Brazilian wool. In this case, I'm using a shorter Brazilian wool. You can also use any length of your choice. I will now get a longer Brazilian wool, stick all of them into the needle, use the longer one and tie it. Once I tie it, I'm going to tie the Brazilian wool, the shorter Brazilian wool. The tying that I'm doing to this is just as if I'm doing a thread method, you know, that kind of thread method that you do on a natural hair. So it's just like an African thread, and after I'm done, I tie it, I secure the thread. After the whole tying, you can decide to keep this aside or pour hot water to this, but for me, I didn't pour hot water. I just left it for some hours. This is how it looks. So the next thing is just to unravel. There are two methods that you can unravel this. The first one I'm doing is just to stretch the thread. I'm not really unraveling. This is how it looks. And with this, you can do a crochet method with this. And the second method is just to loose it out, you know, loose out the whole thread. So when I'm losing it out, as you can see, there is coils that looks like a kind of pixie coils, but yeah, it was achieved with Brazilian wool. Guys, this is how it looks, and like I said, you can use this for crochet wig. You can achieve a crochet wig with this, or you can also do a twisting method, you know, that kind of multi-twist. You can achieve it with this. For the end, what I did was to tie and cut out the remains. Tell me guys what you think about it, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Bye.